Kumachielo en ni kar tiegruok mokuongo mar Italanta Academy koro oger e kambi jot manoero ma Kakuma ka jopuonjre 20 moyier kowuok e kambi jot noero kanyakla kod mago mabende wuok e oganda modak aluora mar kambino ibiro tiegi kata ibiro chiwnegi thuolo mar kao tiegruok mar thuolo maromo jumbe 3 e wechego eko mag tiyo kod lony manyasani kata kaka IT developers. Jopuonjrego eko bende ibiro puonji weche mag programming kanyakla kod problem solving skills mathothne itiyo godo e wechego eko mag lony manyasani kata IT.
And we started this journey, and Esther was actually one of the first ones to start with us in August 2020 with an apprenticeship program. So where we basically took and still are doing batches, we're taking batches of very talented youth. And in 1 to 2 years, depending on how fast they grow, because it's a very personalized on-the-job training program, it's an apprenticeship, we build them up from a junior first entry into the software development space to media or senior level, depending on who you ask. It's also a space, the tech space is also something where these terms are a bit vague, but we bring them up to international standards. And while they are contributing on this apprenticeship, they're actually contributing on startups all across the world. And I think Esther will actually do a bit of a story about the work she has done over the last year, which, as I said, it's mind-blowing, it's amazing. We have some of our apprentices, which are all here from Kenya. We actually have our apprenticeship program running here in Nairobi, but we also have students that came all the way from Kisumu, all the way from Mombasa. Hopefully later we can also do to them.
And then our partners from Microsoft and also the A1 project were also part of the process, so they joined in virtually so that they also have a feel of the process, and they also get to understand, you know, the whole process and how we even arrived at the 20 candidates. So it was very important for them to be part of the process, to understand how it all worked out. And so we managed, something else that also is very key in terms of fairness and ensuring a free, fair, inclusive process is the issue of balance. We have gender issues, we have also nationality. Kakuma refugee camp is very diverse in terms of nationalities present. So we were very keen that we have a good representation of the nationalities present in Kakuma refugee camp. So out of the 20 candidates that were selected for this award, we have 7 nationalities.